Where do you go when you have no place to go? Last year I interviewed Dr. Aristotle Economo when I was out in Los Angeles, and we talked about our experience together 13 years ago, and primarily his experience laying in a hospital bed in Paducah, Kentucky, totally paralyzed. When I first saw him, he could move his fingertips a little bit and his eyelids, and that was it. Totally paralyzed from an autoimmune disease. And I asked him how he found hope, and he said he had to take it down to the very foundation, which was his breath. He had to be thankful for his breath, and he had to control his breath. And breath control is huge, because as we control our breath, particularly a long, slow exhale, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is rest, digest, and repair. And that's the most thing that you need most right then, is to be able to repair. So it's extremely important to access your parasympathetic nervous system. So you want to do slow exhale breathing. So breathe in, pucker your lips a little bit, blow out between the lips, just really slow. So, and just go on and on and on as slow as you can make it. That is so powerful to do 5 minutes out every hour or whatever works for you, but do it as much as you can, because that will activate your parasympathetic nervous system. If you're in a position where you can get on your feet, then you can do our Hummingbird exercise, and I want to refer you to our exercise on our YouTube channel and on Facebook, the Hummingbird Exercise, because that's an even stronger activation of the parasympathetic nervous system. But breath is so powerful, and gratitude is so powerful, because those two things, breath and gratitude, put gas in your tank, and they're free. So they put gas in your tank so that you can heal better and you can drive farther. Because when we're in sympathetic dominance and we have a low reserve capacity in our autonomic nervous system, and we have poor variability to our heart, it's like driving around town with the E light on, the empty light on our car. Who knows when when it's finally going to run out. So you can put gas in your tank with gratitude and with breath. And then the next thing is to get into whole food nutrition. So we use Standard Process. It's a company that grows food since 1929, 100% organic farms. And there's only a couple other organic farms like that out there. But you want to get whole food nutrition as much as possible. Get that into you so you have healing nutrients. There's lots of other things that we talk about in all of our autoimmune videos. We have a video called Autoimmune Illness, How to Stop Attacking Yourself. It has around 40,000 views on YouTube. You can check that out. We have another video called A New Approach to Autoimmunity, and that involves our work with quantum neural reset therapy, which calms the brain so that we can calm the immune system. But that's where you start when you have no place to go. You start with your breath, and you start with gratitude. So powerful. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined.